Right. I feel quite like Lucy Moon with my cup of tea right now. Hi everyone, I know it's been a while since I filmed one of my house vlogs, so I just wanted to film a quick video so I can show you some recent updates in our home. I think my last house vlog was back in November, and yeah, obviously we had Christmas after that and we've moved in and we're properly living here now, and sometimes life just gets in the way of things, so I thought I'd film a quick update. I think the only things that have really updated since the last vlog are a couple of new bits in the living room, which I'll show you now. We bought 2 lampshades for the 2 lights in here, and I know that might not seem like a massive update, but honestly it was quite bare in here, and when we bought those lampshades it did make a difference. It did make it feel more homely in here. We bought these from our local home base before it morphed into Bunnings. It is Bunnings, isn't it? So they might not be available anymore, but I'll see if I can find some similar ones for you and put a link below. I just love the pattern on these. The next step in making this room feel more cozy and homely was our curtains for the patio doors, which I've already mentioned in my new purchases show and tell video. You might have seen that I mentioned that we did these quite cheaply. We bought these curtains from IKEA. I think they were so cheap, they were like £15, but they did need altering because they only came in one size and they were net curtains, so they're quite transparent as well, which is something we didn't want. Luckily for me though, my mum is quite a whiz on the sewing machine, so she kindly altered the length of them because they were too long, and I bought some thermal curtain lining in Dunelm Mill, so she managed to sew those into the back of them as well, and yeah, they just look really good. I think I'm really happy with the pattern. They were transparent like I said, but the curtain lining did bring out the pattern more. If you don't know anyone who's a whiz on the sewing machine, either yourself or anyone else, I'm pretty sure there's some businesses out there that can do it for you who might be into like fabric alterations and stuff. We do have a smaller window in here which we bought some blinds for, and I'm really impressed with these. They're from Blinds to Go, which is a website with so much choice for blinds. These are actually the European oak wooden blinds, and all you have to do is measure your window space and they take those measurements and custom make the blinds for you. They fit perfectly, as you can see. The only thing you do have to do is obviously put them up yourself, but I think me and mum managed this. Again, my mum kindly helped me out. We managed it in under an hour, I'd say, and if you've drilled anything into the wall like nails or whatever, then I'd say you're pretty much qualified to do this job as well. Finally, we've bought an IKEA shelving unit, which has definitely helped in terms of storage. We didn't really have much before in terms of storage in here, so it's become a bit of a part bookshelf, part where we put our laptops and other stuff in a sort of tidy manner. I think this is a perfect spot for David's granddad's radio as well, which he kindly gave to us when he was moving home because I pretty much saw it and fell in love with it, and I just think it looks so cool. I think he bought it in 1958, and yeah, it definitely adds a vintage touch to the room. I'm yet to turn it on and tune it in though. And surprisingly, that's it for my updates. I know there's only 4 or 5 items in here, but I really feel like they made a big difference to our living room and making it look and feel more cozy. So I'll leave any links below for you just in case you're interested, and yeah, I just wanted to share that update with you. Let me know which one your favourite is. I think mine's definitely the radio. Although I still have a lot of ideas left for this room. So this room is not finished yet. But coming next in our house update, me and David are looking to get a new bathroom, which we're both pretty excited about. In the next coming weeks we'll be gathering quotes, and I'll be filming the process of that to upload in my next house vlog. But for now, I hope you've enjoyed this very quick update video. Let me know if you have by giving me a thumbs up. And if you want to keep updated with our bathroom renovation, make sure you subscribe as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!